Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Alright, so what we have now is a small distance from here to here, and then the corner will cover that. So that ends up being 3 inches. 3 inches ends up being close to this. So I'm going to take a razor knife, cut right beside that. Good cut. So you can also take a straight edge and do that. I'm going to get off the gravel over here, and I'm going to bend that happens to be the length of me also. There we go. We'll just fasten that in place. Then we'll do the same on this side, which 15 inches. I'll just go ahead and see where that falls out. Right beside that. I have electric shears. Yes, I could use those. I have 3 different kinds of electric shears. The cut, we're not trying to close it in on that metal, we're opening up that cut. So read the directions.
And do not cut yourself.
Try not to go. See that? Okay, so I'm going to put the corners on, metal corner on first. The trim is coming up here, so I want the metal corner to come up here also to that edge, both sides. I've measured it, and I'm going to cut it. I'll put the cut edge in the J-channel. Looks like I need to cut a little bit more. Sticking up above.
You're not exactly.
Pretty good right there. Alright, screw gun and screws. I have screws.
You have screws?
I have them right here.
You sure you want that? It looks angled pretty hard.
It's because that's skirting is a little bit off. $37 and the way I'm marking right here, you can get the speed square. If you want to know how to do that, I have a video on how to do that. This comes from the drywall trade. Allows me to have the ability to speed up. When it comes to marking, I have less tools on me or around me to do the job. Doing it.
Cut a lot off.
I have to cut it off on the bottom, like you were saying, right here.
Well, this is what you cut originally.
Let me turn it over and cut. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.